Hi there. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix suspended account on Twitter. So as you can see, I am now in the help center and they already have got an article regarding that. So we will see that together. So the first thing you need to do is to actually try to log into your Twitter account. If you try to log into your Twitter account and you see on the screen that it is asking you to provide your phone number or email address, you will need to enter that and then follow the instructions to get your account unsuspended. That most likely is gonna work, but sometimes you might see a different message saying maybe that your account is locked. So if this is the case, you will be asked to provide different information. So not your phone number or email address. They might ask you to confirm different things. So you will need to follow the instructions on the screen again. If that doesn't work, so the last thing that you might do is to file an appeal, and then Twitter is gonna look into this for you. To file an appeal, you will need to follow the link, as you can see. So go to Twitter Help Center and follow the link they provided and go from there.